How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Play Store or App Store. After that, search for WhatsApp. Over here, if it is showing as update for you, simply update your WhatsApp and check out for Meta AI. If Meta AI is not there in your WhatsApp, then you just have to wait for the next update, as Meta is just trying to give it out to certain people and not all the people out there at this point of time. So some of the YouTubers are telling you to take backups and delete your chat history and whatnot, but don't fall for it, as there is no Meta AI for all the people out there right now. You might end up losing your precious chats with some of the people out there. So just have some patience and you would be getting Meta AI in future for sure. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.